Roles and responsibilities of a data engineer. Data engineering responsibilities. 1. Data storage. Key aspects include designing infrastructure, data processing, and data analysis. 2. Building systems. Focuses on data engineering development, encompassing responsibilities and system integration. 3. Maintaining infrastructure. Involves regular updates, system monitoring, and performance optimization for optimal functionality. Data pipeline. 1. Design, build and maintain the data pipeline. Data engineers are responsible for designing and building the data pipeline, which includes the collection, storage, processing, and transportation of data. 2. They also make sure that the pipeline is efficient, reliable, and scalable. Data storage and management. 1. Data engineers are responsible for designing and maintaining the data storage systems, such as relational databases, NoSQL databases, and data warehouses. 2. They also ensure that the data is properly indexed, partitioned, and backed up. Data quality and integrity. 1. Data engineers are responsible for ensuring the quality and integrity of the data as it flows through the pipeline. 2. This includes cleaning, normalizing, and validating the data before it is stored. Data security. 1. Data engineers are responsible for implementing security measures to protect sensitive data from unauthorized access. 2. This includes implementing encryption, access controls, and monitoring for security breaches. Performance tuning and optimization. 1. Data engineers are responsible for monitoring the performance of the data pipeline and making adjustments to optimize its performance. 2. This includes identifying and resolving bottlenecks, and scaling resources as needed. Collaboration with other teams. 1. Data engineers often work closely with data scientists, data analysts and business intelligence teams to understand their data needs and ensure that the data pipeline is able to support their requirements. Keeping up with the latest technologies. 1. Data engineers need to keep up to date with the latest technologies and trends in the field, such as new data storage and processing systems, big data platforms, and data governance best practices. Thanks for watching.